Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Hollowell Industries, manufacturers of Doughboy pools, 12x24-foot oval swimming pool above ground, 52-inch steel wall above ground pool kit. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Above ground pool set. Everything you need for a backyard oasis. This bundle includes a 24x12x52 above ground pool, a powerful sand filter with pump for crystal clear water, a 24-foot pool liner for a perfect fit, a convenient through-wall skimmer to keep water clean, and a sturdy pool ladder for easy access. Made by Hollowell Industries, manufacturers of Doughboy, Embassy, and Lamart pools. Durable construction. Built to last with a 52-inch tall copper-bearing steel wall, sturdy 6-inch steel top rails, and 5-inch steel verticals. Resin top connectors enhance structural longevity, while 20-gauge steel top rails increase strength and lifetime performance. Easy entry. Safely enter and exit the pool with the included frame ladder, supporting up to 250 pounds. The wide, sturdy platform and locking mechanism ensure secure access without requiring additional decking, making pool entry effortless and safe. Efficient water management. The sand filter and pump combo keeps water crystal clear by efficiently filtering debris and impurities, while the through-wall skimmer ensures surface cleanliness by trapping leaves and debris before they sink, resulting in a cleaner and more enjoyable swimming experience. Long-lasting assurance. Backed by a generous 20-year warranty, our above-ground pool provides peace of mind and reflects our commitment to quality and durability. Enjoy your pool with confidence, knowing that it's covered for 2 decades of worry-free use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.